With all that's going on in the market, with the end of the year coming, this is December 1st, and I want to bring this one stock to you. But before we do so, please like and subscribe. So, Muller Industry is a stock that I've been watching. It's a small cap stock, and I think it's ready to blast off again. So, why I like this stock? Because it show a lot of significant reason why it's ready to reverse. And as you can see, it has been trending from $41 earlier. This was what? This was 11 from last year. So if you had bought the stock December 1st this year, again, if you had bought December 1st this year, which will make it 1 year, guys, you would have got this stock at $41. And again, you can see that the stock was at $96, almost $100. Again, if you had bought for 1 year, you would have been up 98, almost 100% on your return. If you had bought from December of last year, this stock, it is crazy. 100% return within 1 year. I don't even think the S&P 500 give you this much capital. But let's dive into it. But if you think that I've earned your time, guys, please like and subscribe. So the net income is tremendously great. As you can see, $586.47 million, and they have a lot of shares out there. But again, with all with all stocks, do your due diligence before you think about even buying it. So for the last 5 days, it hasn't been doing so well, and I think it's a perfect time to get in. Why? Because we can see that previously the stock, before it pushed up to $96, pulled back. And also with the pullback, guys, we got a consolidate. Now the stock is finally in consolidation phase. So it got rejected at $96, almost 97, and now consolidated. And with this consolidation, the only way we can go is either up or continue going down. But are we showing signs of going down? No, no longer showing signs of rejection. Again, consolidation, and from here, we're going back up. But again, do your due diligence, watch what's going in the market, because again, Nasdaq, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, all of these stocks have a major role, or major index have a major role on these stocks. So again, before you get into it, do your homework, know what you're getting into, and then you can go ahead. So 52-week range was $41, which is of last year, the same time this time, and it was 52-week high. Again, it's almost $100, which is $96. And I think the financial, let's see, I think their market cap is like 10 billion, something around there. So let's look into gross profit. As you can see, time to month, their gross profit is good. So their upward gross profit, guys. Again, do your homework before you get into it. But the stat is right here. As you can see, 2019, the revenue was 2.431. Then it continues to growing. As you can see, it's a company that continues to grow. So again, do your homework before you get in, and make a wise decision before you do so. But this stock, I think, definitely with this week coming, it's a gain from here, pushing right back up to where it was trading before, or up. We're looking at 19%. So again, from here to previously high, we're looking at 19%. Let's look at the stock from the last 3 years. Again, strong support I see right here. If we don't find support at $80, then worst case, we're looking at $78. And then from there, we should bounce as the stock did previously, where where we find support at a moving exponential, which is this line right here. As you can see, the trend is upward. So with this rejection, guys, again, it must pull back. There's no way a stock is going to continue to rally and rally and rally. So once we're in this pullback range, it's buying opportunity. It did this before, pushed up, got rejected, pulled back all the way, and then pushed up, pulled back, pushed up. So each time it make a new high, it pulled back and then make a higher high. And this is what you want to see. Even though over MACD, as we can see previously, over MACD find support right here, pushed up, got rejected, pulled back, and what it did again, make a new high, pull back, and then we're going to make a new high again. But with time, again, if we don't find support at $80, the lowest, then next support would be at $78, and I think it's a definitely buying opportunity. If you look at it, guys, if you had bought this stock last year, you would have been up 100%. That's what everyone want to see. A stock that going 100% annually. I would have put all my money here if I had known about this stock. So now I found it, I'm sharing it with you. So do your homework and make your wise decision. But until then, like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel.